Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to make beautifully patterned pastries filled with dates or almonds. We'll start by preparing the dough and its ingredients. Then we'll move on to shaping and some tips for maintaining the shapes. For the dough, we need the following ingredients: flour, yeast, sugar, salt, warm water, oil, and powdered milk. We start by mixing the flour with the yeast, sugar, salt, and powdered milk in a large bowl. Then, we gradually add the warm water and knead until the dough becomes cohesive. Once the dough is cohesive, we add the oil and knead again until the dough becomes soft and smooth. After finishing the kneading, we cover the dough and let it rest for an hour in a warm place. Once the dough has risen, we start preparing the fillings. For the date filling, we need pitted dates mashed with a little butter or oil and flavored with cardamom or cinnamon to taste. We prepare the dates and shape them into small balls. For the almond filling, we need ground almonds mixed with sugar, butter, and rosewater or orange blossom water. We mix the ingredients until we get a consistent mixture. After preparing the fillings, we start shaping the dough. We take a small piece of dough and shape it into a ball, then flatten it into a small circle and place the filling in the center. Then, we close the dough and shape it back into a ball. We use patterned molds or mamoule molds to give the pastries a beautiful, patterned shape. A key tip for maintaining the patterned shapes is to press the dough evenly into the mold and ensure the edges are completely sealed so they don't open during baking. We can also brush the pastries with beaten egg yolk mixed with a little water to give them a nice golden color. After shaping the pastries, we let them rest for a bit before baking. We bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15, 20 minutes, or until they are golden brown from both top and bottom. If we want to store the pastries for a longer period, we can place them in airtight containers and store them at room temperature if it's cool, or in the fridge if it's warm. And with that, we've finished preparing beautifully patterned pastries filled with dates or almonds in a simple and easy way. I hope you found this method helpful and enjoyed the pastries we made. If you try it and like it, don't forget to share your experiences and feedback with us. Thank you for your continued support and following. Stay well and healthy, and we'll see you in upcoming recipes, God willing.